Hello guys, hope you all are doing fine. Welcome back to my channel. Eid Mubarak everyone. To celebrate Eid-ul-Fitr, I'm going to make a card using very simple supplies. For today's card, we only need watercolor, pencil and fine liners. So let's get started. First of all, let's sketch out the drawing so that it's easier while working with the watercolors. Then let's start using the watercolor. First of all, let's start with the color of this guy's dress, purple. Then color the other dress parrot green. Then use a darker tone of parrot green to create a shade. After that, color the lanterns. I decided to make them colorful. You can decide the color scheme on your own. Now color the sky blue. Then paint the skin. Then color the hair. Lastly, color the masjid black as it's far away. Now outline the whole drawing using a fine liner. After that, write Eid Mubarak at the right side. With that, my card is done. I absolutely love how it turned out. With that being said, that's the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to leave a like if this video was helpful and leave your feedback on the comment section. It would be great if you subscribe and turn on the bell button so that you never miss my videos. Eid Mubarak to you all. Hope you spend a wonderful Eid. See you in my next video. Bye.